Welcome to the Comprehensive Beginner's Guide to Excel on iPad for 2025. Microsoft has transformed Excel into a powerful, touch-first application that rivals desktop functionality while maintaining the intuitive experience iPad users expect. The 2025 version of Excel on iPad introduces several groundbreaking enhancements. The touch interface has been completely redesigned with larger touch targets and improved gesture recognition, making navigation more intuitive and precise. Apple Pencil integration represents a major advancement, offering precision editing capabilities, seamless handwriting to text conversion, and the ability to draw directly within spreadsheet cells for enhanced data visualization. Excel now fully leverages Apple's M-series chips, delivering desktop-class performance that handles complex calculations and large data sets with remarkable speed and efficiency. Excel on iPad now offers near-desktop parity, providing access to advanced formulas, pivot tables, and comprehensive data analysis tools. This represents a significant milestone in mobile productivity applications. Full offline functionality ensures uninterrupted productivity, with automatic synchronization when connectivity is restored. This feature is essential for professionals working in various environments. Multi-window support enables simultaneous work with multiple spreadsheets using split screen and slide-over functionality, dramatically improving workflow efficiency. The Universal Clipboard feature enables seamless copy-paste functionality across the entire Apple ecosystem, allowing users to effortlessly transfer data between their iPad, iPhone, and Mac devices. Enhanced file management provides superior integration with the Files app, iCloud, and third-party cloud storage services, ensuring your spreadsheets are accessible wherever you work. Complete external keyboard support, including full keyboard shortcuts, transforms the iPad into a desktop-class productivity device when paired with the Magic Keyboard or other external keyboards. Excel on iPad in 2025 represents a mature, professional-grade application that combines the intuitive touch interface of iPad with the powerful functionality users expect from Excel. These enhancements establish Excel as the premier spreadsheet solution for mobile productivity. Excel on iPad utilizes intuitive touch gestures that make spreadsheet editing natural and efficient. Understanding these fundamental gestures is essential for productive work. The ribbon interface has been specifically adapted for touch interaction, featuring collapsible menus and context-sensitive toolbars that respond to your current selection. Cell selection on iPad, Excel provides precise control through multiple methods. Single tap selects individual cells, while dragging allows range selection with visual feedback. The on-screen keyboard includes specialized features for spreadsheet work, including a dedicated number row, formula suggestions, and intelligent autocomplete functionality. The formula bar has been enhanced with syntax highlighting and error detection. It expands automatically for complex formulas and provides real-time feedback on your input. Excel on iPad supports comprehensive formula categories. Basic math functions include sum, average, count, min, and max for fundamental calculations. Logical functions enable conditional operations with if, and, or, and not statements for decision-making in your spreadsheets. Text functions manipulate text data with concatenate for joining text, left and right for extracting characters, mid for middle portions, and trim for removing spaces. Date and time functions handle temporal data with today and now for current values, date and time for specific moments, and date diff for calculating differences between dates. Lookup functions enable data retrieval with VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP for table searches, while index and match provide flexible data location capabilities for complex spreadsheet operations. Excel on iPad provides comprehensive error detection and correction suggestions, helping you identify and resolve formula issues in real time for accurate calculations.